My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
Is there a way to somehow select the pages and put the same pop-up across multiple pages?
Um, I think by default it should do that already. Let me pull this up real fast and let's look. But
Because yeah, so far I had to do each page individually, and it was, it's time consuming, obviously, right? But I was wondering if you can do 4 or 5 pages at the same time with the same pop-up.
so you're saying you've added a pop-up like this one here, or you created a pop-up.
Yes, and
Um, and if you're using the same pop-up, like this one's already built, it looks like now this used to not be available, but now you can create multiple pop-ups, and so you can have a
yes.
different pop-up on each page. If you want it to be global and you want to have the same one and make it look the same across all the pages, you just make sure to only use one and edit this one, and then you can use this same one across all the different pages. So you can add your whatever in here, your form or whatever you want to show up there. Um, let's just say it's this one. All right, so you got your pop-up. Now, if we click X out of here, and shoot, I don't have any other pages on this site, but if I did, I would just go to the other page and I would click the pop-up settings of that page, and you would make sure you're using the same pop-up. Don't create a new one. If you have like 5 different ones, that's where you're going to have to edit them all separately. But if you're using the same one on every page, then you'll be fine, and you just need to make sure to enable it on that page.
But you have to go through each page though, right? And click on edit. There's no way to check 5 pages at a time to put that same pop-up.
Here, let me do this real fast.
Yeah, I don't think there is.
So we'll just call this about, about, I'm just going to create a second blank page here real fast. Um, so you shouldn't need to, we'll just use, no, create from blank. So if you want to use like that same pop-up, so now I've got the main page and then the about page. So this is the about page here, and then pop-up settings. You'll notice this same pop-up
Oh,
is
it
up
pops up.
here. So if I edited it on
Oh,
the
okay.
main page, it'll be the same one for this page. So you just edit it in one place, and those edits should sync across all the different pages. So let me do this real fast. Edit. What the heck? Must not have saved it. All right,
Yeah,
I think I've got to insert something here.
let me go back to the site here.
Here, if you want to share your screen,
Yeah, let
you
me.
could do that. For whatever reason, I'm not able to edit it on this page. Let's go back to this main page, pop-up. Yeah, so if you edit it, the style of it, whatever is inside of it here, and you're making sure that it's the same one here, just this one called pop-up. We could rename it if we wanted to, but we could call it global pop-up. Then you edit it here, and it should edit it across all the other pages that pop-up comes up on. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.